Have you thought about going electric? Here's 5 perks about Ford EVs that you are going to love. First up, convenience. With available at-home charging, your garage becomes your gas station and the charger's installed on us. Say goodbye to gas and oil changes. These EVs save you money on maintenance and gas. These Ford EVs are loaded up on technology such as this massive screen, over-the-air updates, and Blue Cruise hands-free driving. Instant torque. This thing moves. You'll feel the power the second you press that gas pedal. And don't forget, this month, take home a Mach-E at 0.9% interest, or an F-150 Lightning at 0% interest, both up to 72 months. Are you ready to plug in? Stop down to the showroom, ask for Garrett, and come see why it's always easy to do business right here at Steet Ponte Ford.